Ready to ditch the generic Shopify URL and brand your store with a custom domain from Namecheap? Alright, first, head over to Namecheap and log into your account. Once you're in, navigate to your domain list. From the left-hand menu, find the domain you want to connect to Shopify and click the Manage button next to it. Now, click on Advanced DNS. This is where we'll be making the necessary changes to point your domain to Shopify. If you see any existing records or CNAME records, go ahead and delete them. We're starting with a clean slate. Next, let's hop over to your Shopify admin panel. Go to Settings in the bottom left corner. Then click on Domains. You'll see a button that says Connect Existing Domain. Click on that. Enter your domain name in the provided field and click Next. Shopify will now give you to CNAME records and a record that you need to add to your Namecheap DNS settings. Keep this page open, as you will need this information. Back on Namecheap, under the Advanced DNS section, add a new record in the host field. Enter it in the value field. Paste the Shopify IP address 232,273,865. Then, add a new CNAME record in the host field. Enter www in the value field. Paste your Shopify store's URL, which will look something like your store name. Shopify. In Shopify, click the Verify Connection button. It might take up to 48 hours for the changes to propagate across the internet, but usually it's much faster. Once verified, you'll see a confirmation message and your domain will be connected to your Shopify store, and that's it. You've successfully connected your Namecheap domain to Shopify.